To quickly capture ideas in Obsidian, you'll create a brain dump system using 3 folders and 3 notes. If you're struggling to keep track of your thoughts and tasks, this tutorial will guide you step by step through building a productive brain dump system in Obsidian. You'll be able to capture everything that's on your mind without getting bogged down in organization immediately. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. Okay, let's build your brain dump system in Obsidian. This is a fantastic way to combat mental overwhelm and boost your productivity. We're going to focus on a simple, actionable system using just 3 folders and 3 core notes. This approach provides a clear structure for capturing information and then organizing it when you have the time and mental space. Step 1. Create your brain dump folder structure. Open Obsidian. Open your preferred vault. Open the File Explorer sidebar. Create 3 new folders. We'll call them Inbox, Projects, and Archive. These folders are your foundational structure. The inbox catches everything, the projects transform ideas into action, and the archive preserves finished work for future reference. Step 2. Create the inbox folder. Inside your vault, create a new note called Brain Dump. This note is your central capture point. Add the heading #braindump, and then create a list with 6 bullet points: ideas, tasks, reminders, questions, follow-ups, and notes. Use this note throughout the day whenever you need to quickly record something. Don't try to organize at this stage, just capture. Step 3. Capture information freely. Whenever a thought pops into your head, immediately add it to your brain dump note. You might capture a new business idea, a task you need to complete, a reminder for tomorrow, or even a question to research later. Aim for short, simple entries to avoid interrupting your flow. You can always refine the details later. Step 4. Create the projects folder. After reviewing your brain dump, move project-related ideas into dedicated project notes within the projects folder. This separation helps you focus on active work by isolating your projects from the initial capture phase. Avoid letting your inbox sprawl everywhere. Step 5. Create the processing queue note. Inside the projects folder, create a new note called Processing Queue. Add the heading #processing queue and create a list with 6 bullet points: needs action, move to project, schedule later, archive, notes, and duplicates. Use this note to review your brain dump. Decide whether each item should become an active project, be scheduled for later, be archived, or remain as reference information. Step 6. Create the archive folder. The archive folder stores completed or inactive notes. Instead of deleting these notes, move them here to keep them for future reference. Often, older ideas can spark new insights. Step 7. Create the archive log note. Inside the archive folder, create a note called Archive Log. Add the heading #archive log and create a list with 6 bullet points: archived ideas, complete tasks, finished projects, reference notes, duplicate entries, and notes. Use this note to record items that have been completed or no longer require attention. Step 8. Connect notes using internal links. Use Obsidian's internal links to connect related notes. Connect the brain dump note with the processing queue note, and the processing queue note with the archive log. Also, connect the brain dump note with relevant project notes and supporting resources. As your knowledge base grows, these links will create a connected system. Step 9. Add properties and tags. To further organize your captured information, add properties like status, category, priority, date created, and last updated. You can also use tags like idea, task, project, meeting, personal, or business. These allow you to easily search and filter your notes later. Don't over-tag, focus on what's most useful for you. Step 10. Create a daily brain dump routine. A simple workflow is to first capture every new thought in the brain dump note. Then review your brain dump at the end of the day or at the beginning of the next day. Next, move actionable items into project notes, schedule future work, or archive completed information. Finally, clear your brain dump so it's ready to collect new ideas. Consistency is key here. A brain dump system in Obsidian differentiates between capturing and organizing information. By capturing thoughts without immediate organization, you reduce mental clutter and prioritize. This provides a dependable framework for managing information over time, improving focus, and amplifying your productivity. You've now created a solid brain dump system in Obsidian. This approach helps you capture ideas quickly and efficiently, reduces mental clutter, and provides a system for organizing your thoughts when you have the time. To keep this system running smoothly, consider setting aside 15 to 30 minutes each day to review your brain dump note. Also, experiment with adding more properties and tags to refine your organization. Save this video and revisit these steps whenever you need to refresh your focus or capture a new idea.